Okay, this quick tutorial is going to show how to make bookmarks. Bookmarks is just another thing that we can do to help set us up for success for the 12 weeks. Bookmarks are located at the top of your screen. You can see that I have school bookmarks, which you can put them in a folder. So in the school bookmarks, I have two things. Or I can just take what I want bookmarked and put it simply right on the line and don't put it in a folder at all. These are quick, and it will just help you be more efficient, work more efficiently. So let's learn how to do that. For some of you that are like, I'm not sure how to do that, looks great. First thing we want to do is make sure that your bookmarks bar is showing. How do we do that? We're going to zip across to the other side of the screen. Right underneath where I'm logged in, there's the menu, the three dots. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hover over bookmarks, and then there's going to be a drop down, and it says show bookmarks. I have a check mark, and that means that my bookmark bar is showing. Look what happens if I click on it and I take away that check mark. My bookmarks bar is gone. Simply go back, click on the menu, hover over bookmarks, click on the show bookmarks, and now I have them back. All right, so that's the first thing. Make sure you have the bar and it's showing. Now, when we bookmark, we just want to go to where we want to bookmark. And for this class, I want you just to add a few things to your bar that will help you be more efficient. So the first place I want to take you is my website. So let's go back to the Jackson District site. And so if I start to type it in, I've been there, so it comes up. For those of you that didn't come up automatically, you want to type in jackson.stark.k12.oh.us. Click on that, and it will take you to the district site. And I know for a lot of you, this is not the first time you've visited the site. If you scroll down, the quick links is where we're headed, and we've already logged into Bearworks on a different tutorial, but if you ever needed to log into Bearworks, you can do it here through here. I'm sure you've been here because first day forms are now online. What we're interested in is the staff directory. That's going to help us get to my website, so we're going to click on that. When we click on that, now the staff directory wants to know which teacher, so we're going to type in Dretke, so it's D-R-E-T-K-E, and we're going to search that. Up here I am. Here's my email, and here's a link to my site. So we're going to click view the website, and here's the website. Just so you know, there's not going to be a lot of things on my website. There's just going to be a few things if you're interested. The biggest thing I would say is this Google Calendar. I am going to put a link. I have a link to Polaris here, but we're also going to put Polaris on the web browser. On the web browser, on the bookmarks. And I have typing practice here, but that is also in Polaris. So like I said, I think maybe the biggest thing that some students might be interested in is this Google Calendar. You click on that, and you click on the Google Calendar. What you'll see is throughout the year, say that we start Google Forms here, a Google Forms assignment, it might say start Google Forms assignment, continue Google Forms assignment, continue Google Forms assignment, continue Google Forms assignment, and now it's Friday, and now Google Forms assignment is due. So taking a look visually, you'll know that we're going to spend all week on Google Forms. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and it's going to be due Friday. So for some of you, if visually that helps, this is here. Okay, so I want to go back to where the website is. And so I want you to have it on the bookmarks bar, if you would, please. So when you make a bookmark, it's quite simple. You come up here to this box, and this is the URL box. This is the address. We don't have to mess with that. We just come over to the star. We say bookmark this page, and you click on it, and it says bookmark added. Now the thing is, it's going to come up with a default name, which may or may not mean anything to you. So if I were you, I'd backspace and delete out of that and call it something short, sweet, and that means something to you. So like I might call it 7th Technology Website. And I just want it on the bookmarks bar. I could have it in a school bookmark. I could make another bookmark, but I just want it to be right on the bar, just like this one is. And so now I'm done, and I'm going to click, and here it is. And that's all there is to making a bookmark. The next place I would like you to bookmark is Polaris. And so we're going to type in Polaris.jackson.spark.org. Once you log in and you're here, I would like you to bookmark this page as well. And so I'm going to just quite simply hit the star, and it gave me a default name, and I'm going to call it Polaris because I want it short, sweet. Again, I don't want it in a folder, so I just want it right on my bookmark. So I'm just going to hit done. And here it is, Polaris. There's one more thing that I want you to bookmark because we're going to use a lot, and that's going to be your Google Drive. Now, in order to get your Google Drive on it, we're going to come over here to where it looks like a Rubik's Cube almost, and there's the apps. So I'm going to click on that. And here are the apps, and the Google Drive is the one that we're going to be in a lot, and a lot of our things are going to be stored here. So I'm going to click on this. Here's my Google Drive. And now, again, I want to come over. I'm going to hit star. My Google Drive, I don't need all that. I just want it simply to say Google Drive. And I just want it to be a bookmark. I don't need it to be in a folder, and I'm going to hit done. And here's Google Drive. Those are some of the bookmarks I want you to have. If there's anything else you want to bookmark, but it's as simple as that. So please just make sure that you have our website, Polaris, and Google Drive bookmarked.